Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A54, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, like this. Swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and on one of the pages you should have a screen recording toggle. Now if you don't see it on either page, which I don't, I'm gonna select right here on this plus button on the last toggle, and this will allow me to look through toggles that are also turned off, so not visible right here. And as you can see, one of them is screen recorder. So I'm gonna grab it, drag it over to the bottom, done, and now I have access to it. Now from here, I'm gonna hold this toggle. This will take me to the settings. I recommend doing this at least once, just so you can see how the screen recorder is set by default. So we have things like sound, which is set to media. Below that we have video quality, set to high. I recommend keeping it at that. And then we have selfie size. That's the actual size that it will appear on the screen somewhere. Now you can make it smaller or bigger, and obviously you don't have to have it on. Even when you select the size, you can have it just not show up at all. And below that we just have show taps and touches, so this will show on a screen recording a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. And lastly, just the location where the screen recording gets saved. Now once you go to the settings and customize them to your liking, you can close this and then find the toggle once more, tap on it. You can enable the show taps and touches just so you can see how that looks like. You can select start recording. I'm going to skip countdown. And as you can see, it's recording now. Now whatever you will open right now will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, you can either pause it, which I just did. You have also a couple options right here. So you have the front-facing camera. You can resume recording, as you can see. And obviously you can stop it. Now once you stop it, you can go into gallery, and it will show up under the newest entry right here. But later on, if you want to just go back to this screen recording or any other screen recording later on, when you have a bunch of additional media visible right here, you can just go into albums, and in here we will have screen recording album, which will contain obviously just screen recordings. And here it is. As you can see, this is the dot where my finger was touching the display. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.